Hello everyone, today we're here on behalf of Child Evangelism Fellowship, CEF, and today's visual aid is a felt board. We are going to need sandpaper, the roughest grade you can find, which is the lowest number on the back of the sandpaper. You're going to need a craft knife, ruler, cutting mat, glue gun, eraser, and felt, and Velcro. You can find this in an accessory store that sells sewing supplies. The felt sheets can come in sheets of letter-size paper. So does the sandpaper. However, some of the felt sheets are very smooth, so you might want to try to get more of the cloth sheets. They are rougher. They're very smooth, but it's like if it's furry. So what you want to try to find is the furrier felt sheets, not the smooth ones. This is foam board. It's nice and thick, as you can see. It's also very light. It's 20 by 30 inches, and you could get it between those prices in stationery stores. This is Stag Blanc Board. It's very sturdy. It's thinner but sturdy. This is the size of it. And you can also get them in stationery stores for about these prices in Trinidad and Tobago. You'll need a cutting blade. This is to cut your board down to the size that you want. Here I cut mine down. And I also cut the foam board to the size I wanted. So you will cut it to whatever size you need it to be for your displays, whatever you want to display, how you want to display it. You will also cut your sheets down, your felt sheet. You can get larger sizes of felt at Samaru's in Trinidad. You can also get them online if you don't have any stores available. And in Samaru's, they sell it for $60 a yard, and you can also get them at different colors. So that's pretty exciting. You don't only have to get black. Here I smoothed out my felt and I placed my board on it. Now I'm cutting my corners so that when I fold it, it's gonna give it a nice neat fold in the corners. So I had my heat gun plugged in, so it's nice and hot. My glue is ready, and I'm taking my time and sticking it. I'm applying the glue to my board bit by bit, piece by piece, and I am pulling my felt up and over the board and gluing it to the back of the board. And I'm just gonna do that all around, and as I turn, I'm gonna pull my sheet because I want the felt to be nice and tight. I don't want it to have folds in it, when I'm using it. I want my board to be nice and tight and firm. And I'm just gonna cut my corners as I go and pull it because it is a bit stretchy. But you have to be careful not to pull it too much to rip it. It is strong, but you will feel it. Once you purchase it, you'll feel the strength of it. You'll feel the little stretch that it has. And you just make sure and you pull it enough to make sure that it's nice and tight. And you just go bit by bit applying the glue all around. And now my board is ready to use. You flip it over, you clean it off. It may have picked up a couple stray pieces of paper on the other side. Now it's time to cut my sandpaper. So I'm cutting a strip of sandpaper. I'm going to just glue it on to the back of a card that I would like to display in my class. So I'm using the glue gun. I attach it. The glue gun is great because it dries really quickly, and there you can see it does not fall off. My board is standing upright and it's not falling off. I'm putting it all over. I'm just passing my hand to just kind of gently press it into the felt. Here now I'm going to apply a small piece of Velcro to get the same effect. However, the Velcro, in my opinion, it holds a lot better, even on the roughest sandpaper. It's stuck. You actually have to peel it off from the felt board. But sandpaper works really well, as you all saw, and so does the Velcro. In my opinion, Velcro is better. So if you can't get it, use it. Velcro also comes in little circles. You can get those in stationery stores. They're about $15. You get about 36 little circles in it. And here I'm demonstrating you can use your Velcro board to stick. This is masking tape. These pieces have masking tape behind them. Now you can use it to have your students unscramble a memory verse. You've taught your memory verse and you want to see if they remember it. You stick up all your words and ask them to put them in order for you. So they can come up to do it, or they can call it out for you. And you just move around your words and your words are stuck. They're not falling off. You don't have to fight up with them on the table. They're visible for the students to see, and you rearrange them and you put them in order. You can even use it as a punch board. You can use thumbtacks and push pins and attach your material in that way as well. Here is my flip board. You can use it, attach it that way. You attach your Velcro strip to the back of the flip board and it will stay on the board. This felt board is amazing. It is. It is. But once you use a foam sheet, a foam board, and cover it, you can use it as a pin board as well. You can even use cardboard. You could use a sheet of cardboard and cover it with your felt. So it's fantastic. Here we have a strip of felt again on a display stand, and we attach our flip book to it. So felt is versatile. You can use it in many different ways, in different applications. It doesn't have to only be for the felt board. You can use it on the display board. It is very, very versatile. It works really, really well. And you don't have to use black. You could use different colors once you get different colors. So thank you so much for watching this presentation, once again from the North Branch of CEF in Trinidad and Tobago.